Alright, first graders, today, Monday, May 4th, we are taking our Chapter 12 review test. And then tomorrow we will be taking our actual Chapter 12 test. So I'm just going to read through each of these questions just to clarify if there's anything confusing about what it's asking. So I'm not going to be answering anything on this video today. I'm just reading the questions, making sure you understand what it's asking. And I want you to try to complete it as much on your own without any help from an adult as possible. I will post the answer key on Class Dojo so that you all can go back and check your work and see if there's anything you need to work on before the test tomorrow. Alright, so feel free to pause if I go too quickly at any point. You can pause the video and then take however much time you need on each problem. Number 1, which shapes have only 3 sides? So you're looking for 3 sides. You're going to choose all that apply. So any of them that have 3 sides, you're going to shade the bubble. Number 2, circle the number that makes the sentence true. A rectangle has 2, 3, or 4 vertices or corners. Number 3, how many trapezoids make a hexagon? So get out those pattern blocks, draw to show the blocks that you need. So use your trapezoids. How many trapezoids make a hexagon? So draw it to explain your thinking and tell me the number. Number 4, circle 2 shapes that can combine to make this new shape. So to make this, circle the 2 shapes you would need to make this. Number 5, use this pizza shape, a 1/4 of a circle. Use this to make a circle. Draw lines to show the parts. So step 1, they want you to combine the shapes. Combine this piece and this piece to make a 1/2 a circle. Then use that new shape, the 1/2 a circle, and combine it with another 1/2 circle to make the circle. So how many of those pizza-sized pieces did you have to make that full circle? Write that number here. And which is larger, a 1/4 or the whole? Which is larger? Number 6, use 4 pattern blocks. So 4 pattern blocks to make this shape. So draw your lines to show the blocks that you used. You have to use 4. So you can't just draw a line here and say you used a trapezoid and a rhombus, because that would only be 2 shapes. So you have to use 4 different pattern blocks. Draw a line to show the parts. Show 2 rectangles. So draw a line on here to show me 2 rectangles. How could you divide this to show me 2 rectangles? Number 8. Does the shape show equal shares? Yes or no? So does this shape show you equal shares? Yes or no? Does this shape show you equal shares? Yes or no? And does this shape show you equal shares? Yes or no? Number 9, circle the shapes that show halves. So circle any of the shapes that show you halves. And finally, number 10, draw lines to show fourths. So divide this rectangle into fourths, 4 equal pieces. So how many equal shares did you draw? Write the number. How many halves can you show in a rectangle? And tell how you could solve this problem in a different way. So how could you have divided this up in a different way? Again, feel free to go back and pause with any questions you need more time. Parents, I will put the answer key on Class Dojo for you to check their work and see how they did and how well prepared they are for the test tomorrow. If you all need anything else at all, please let me know.